today what we're going to take a look at is the Bafeng points. Now the Bafeng points are quite effective point, particularly for those podiatrists out there that is treating a lot of foot problems. One of the key things it will help is to enhance the circulation to the feet. Very effective point for treating neurological disorders. I use it quite a lot in my clinic for treating a range of foot problems such as predislocation syndrome, if you're treating anything like Morton's neuroma, any stretch fractures to the top of the foot, and also conditions such as capsulitis or metatarsalgia in general, which is more of an umbrella term that's used for treating pain in the actual forefoot. So if you're looking at conditions where there's any neurological disorders such as peripheral neuropathy, it has been shown to enhance nerve conductivity, also with regards to enhancing the circulation within the general feet if you're treating anything such as chilblain.